Welcome scholars and parents to the Grade 1 Science Homework teaching video for the week of February 15 through February 19. For Tuesday's homework, please classify each of these objects as hard or wet, and then make an X for each object. So for example, let's pick gram cubes. Gram cubes are like small blocks which are the shape of a cube. So they are hard and dry but not wet. So you will put an X for these gram cubes under hard. And then question 4 says analyze and conclude. Draw a conclusion. How are these solids the same? How are these liquids the same? So you have to write how these solids are the same. So if you look at these solids that are gram cubes, metal marbles, and ice cubes are the same because they are all hard. And the liquids are the same because they are all wet. So question 5, which two states of matter did you observe? So we observed solids and liquids. And which did you not observe? We did not observe gas. And then for Tuesday's homework, you also have to look at all the matter that is around you. That means you will find solids, liquids, and gases that are considered matter where you live. You will go outside or to a park with an adult and then look around and find all the solids, liquids, as well as all the clues that you can see to note that there are gases. So describe a solid, liquid, or a gas that is outside. So if you go outside, please write down the solid or a liquid or a gas that you saw, and then you will explain its properties. How are those solids and how are the liquids like or the gases like? So if you write the liquids, you can put that all the liquids were wet. And then if you observe the solids, you can say that they were hard or soft. So those are what you will write about. Then for Wednesday's homework, you are going to do vocabulary smart cards. And then these are the vocabulary words. And then you will play a game by first cutting out these cards on the dotted lines and then working with a partner. You will cover up the words on each card, and then you are going to look at the picture and then guess what the word is. So basically you will cover the word solid and just look at the picture and then guess what is this picture. It is a solid. Then you will cover up the word mass and then you will guess by looking at the picture what is it. It is a mass. So that's how you would do it. Maybe your partner can cover up the word and you can guess the name of the word by looking at the picture, or vice versa. Then you are going to match this definition to the picture. So anything that takes up space is matter. So you will have to find it in the previous page. Do we have matter? Yes, we do. So this is the picture that goes with the definition that anything that takes up space. So that's how you would do the definitions. You will first read what the definition is, and then you can also draw a picture of what word is described by the definition. So let's say anything that takes up space is matter. So you will just draw the table that shows what matter is like. And then you will do the same thing with these vocabulary smart cards. And here are the definitions for the vocabulary smart cards in the previous page. And then for Thursday's homework, you are basically going to answer these questions. So question 1 says, what takes up space? Fill in the bubble. Is it force, speed, matter, or direction? I told you that what takes up space is matter. So all you're going to do is color in this circle with the C. And then classify how can you group the blocks in the picture. So you can group the blocks by color, by size, and by what. So write all the different ways that you can group the blocks in the picture. And then for question 3, you're going to describe and write what a gas can do. So for 4, apply and draw the 3 ways that water can change. So you are basically drawing how the water can change in its frozen state. So when water is in the frozen state, we can draw an ice cube. And when the ice cube melts, you can draw water on the ground or on a table or wherever you want to draw it. And when it boils, you are going to draw how the steam escapes as water vapor. And you can also put what a gas can do here. Anyway, a gas can be water vapor that comes out when water is boiled. So you can describe anything that you want for this question 3 that will describe what a gas can do. Then for question 5, you're going to write about the change in the picture. So please note there is yellow powder in this plate, and this yellow powder comes from the rust that is formed on this nail. And rust forms when the iron mixes with oxygen from the air. So that's what you will be writing about, how this nail changes to rust. The nail changes to rust because iron mixes with oxygen in the air. Then for the main idea and details, you will first underline the 2 details below and then write them where it says details. So put 1 for the first detail and put 2 for the second detail. You will also write what the main idea is about. So main idea will tell you what this topic is going to be about, or what is it that is most important here. What are they talking about that is most important, which will be the main idea. So write that here. So some solids will dissolve in some liquids. Salt will dissolve in water. Sugar will dissolve in water too. So the main idea, when you look at it, is going to talk about how solids will dissolve in liquids. So write that down. Some solids will dissolve in some liquids will be the main idea. Then find the two details and write them down here. So that's it for Thursday's homework. And if you have any questions about this homework, please come and see me before or after school, and I will be more than happy to help you with any of the homework questions that you may have. Have a great week. Thank you.